In today's video, I'm going to teach you Notion, how to add free widgets like timer, Pomodoro, and progress bar. Start by opening Notion and making sure you're already signed in. Once you're in, you should be looking at your main workspace or dashboard. From here, go to the left sidebar and click New Page. Give the page a simple title like My Dashboard. This will be the page where you place your widgets, so it helps to keep everything organized in one clean space. Now, open a new browser tab and go to the free Notion widget website at loriharot.com/free Notion widget. When the site loads, you'll see different widget options you can add to your Notion page. First, click on the Pomodoro widget card to open its setup page. On the Pomodoro widget page, look for the Notion theme toggle. Turn this on or off so it matches the theme you use in Notion. If your Notion workspace is in dark mode, choose dark. If you use light mode, match that instead. This helps the widget blend in naturally with the rest of your page. Next, move down to the color settings. Here, you can pick the background color and the text color. Choose colors that fit your dashboard style and are easy to read. If you want a minimal look, go with neutral tones. If you want something more energetic, you can choose brighter colors. The main goal is to make the widget look clean and readable inside Notion. After that, set the focus period to 25 minutes and the break period to 5 minutes. That's the classic Pomodoro setup and works well for most productivity sessions. Once those values are in place, scroll until you find the button to copy the widget URL. Click Copy Widget URL so the link is saved to your clipboard. Now switch back to your Notion tab. Click on an empty line below your page title. Type /embed and choose the embed option from the menu. Paste the widget URL you just copied, then click Embed Link. In a moment, the Pomodoro timer will appear right on your Notion page. Once it's visible, take a second to resize it. Click and drag the corners of the embedded widget until it fits the page the way you want. You can make it smaller for a compact setup or wider if you want it to stand out more on the dashboard. Now let's add the regular countdown timer. Go back to the Widget website tab, then click Back to Widgets. This returns you to the main widget selection page. Click the Timer widget card. Just like before, customize the theme so it matches your Notion page, then set the timer duration you want. After you finish those settings, click Copy Widget URL. Head back to Notion again. Click on a blank line below your Pomodoro widget, type /embed and choose Embed. Paste the new URL and click Embed Link. The timer will appear underneath the Pomodoro widget. If needed, resize this one too so the layout looks balanced and easy to use. Next, go back to the widget site one more time and click Back to Widgets again. This time, select the Progress widget card. This widget is useful if you want visual progress bars for different time periods. On the setup page, toggle the theme to match your Notion workspace. Then choose which progress periods you want to display, such as day, week, or month. Pick the options that make the most sense for how you track your goals or productivity. When that looks good, click Copy Widget URL. Return to your Notion page, click below the timer widget. Type /embed and choose Embed. Paste the copied URL and click Embed Link. Your progress bar widget will now appear on the page along with the other two widgets. At this point, your Notion dashboard should include a Pomodoro timer, a countdown timer, and visual progress bars, all embedded directly into the same page. You can move them around, resize them, and organize the page however you like so it feels more personalized and functional. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Once everything is added, you'll be able to see these widgets in your current Notion account on that page whenever you open it. This is a simple way to turn a basic dashboard into something more interactive and useful for focus, planning, and progress tracking. Go ahead and try it on your side and adjust the colors, sizes, and layout until it matches your workflow. That's really all it takes to add free widgets, like a timer, Pomodoro, and progress bar to Notion. And once you've done it once, you can repeat the same process for other widgets too. Congratulations, you've successfully built a more productive Notion dashboard.